Welcome to AI Mastery, your shortcut to mastering the world of AI tools. Today, I'm sharing with you 3 powerful AI tools that will save you time, boost your creativity, and help grow your business. Let's dive right in. First up, ChatGPT. This isn't just a chatbot anymore. ChatGPT can write emails, create YouTube scripts, plan content calendars, and even brainstorm business ideas in seconds. It's like having a personal assistant and creative partner available 24/7. Next, Pictory. Pictory allows you to transform simple text into complete videos automatically. Just upload your script or blog post and Pictory adds visuals, subtitles, and background music without any editing skills needed. Honestly, it's the secret weapon for creators who want fast professional videos. And third, ElevenLabs. Want a voiceover without recording yourself? ElevenLabs can generate ultra-realistic AI voices from text. Whether you want an energetic, formal, or relaxed voice, ElevenLabs has you covered. The quality is so human-like your audience won't even know it's AI. That's it. 3 AI tools, ChatGPT, Pictory, and ElevenLabs, that can revolutionize your workflow and content creation. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to AI Mastery for more fast AI tutorials and tool reviews. See you in the next video.